Hey, guys, you want to go over there?
Yeah, let's go.
What's your name?
Diony, what's yours?
2. How old are you?
10.
I'm also 10.
Really?
Yeah. Would you like to go and play with me and my friends?
Sure. Let's go.
I used to love playing with swans. I used to shade under him when it was raining.
Wow, you must have So, what are you doing here?
This is my refuge.
Refuge?
Refuge means safe space.
Safe space from what?
Lately, I've been feeling pretty distant from my friends. I'm afraid they might just leave me out.
Really?
That must be sad.
Yeah. I think you should maybe just like talk to them.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So how did you guys meet?
Met up in the park, already. We decided to be friends.
Yep. Oh,
What are the names of girls?
Amy, Tasha, and I had loads of them, but my parents just decided to.
Adults, they just don't care.
Yeah, they just care about work and money and how can they get more money.
And taxes.
Yeah.
And what they can see. They don't care about the friends. The kids. 3, 2, 1, go! Ginger first. Why that?
Cha-cha. Wait, do you know how to do that dance?
Pretty chase me. People chase me. What are the names of your old friends?
My old friends were Kiara, Tasha, and yeah, there are loads of them.
You can't say your